5, right.
Kaart heb ik dat van Boeing about die gas en zo hier.
London 6 Echo Hotel, 25 miles touchdown
You can go full.
right.
275, this is 6 Echo down.
If you want to. But most of the time people need their full fans. So now speed is increasing. Okay. When it nuts. Copy. V1 you can rotate, so you can leave your end. You can go like this. You can so keep the nose lower, the nose lower.
Right.
You need to go around 50, something like this.
Around 50. Okay, copy that.
Like that. Okay, try not to turn, so just
Okay,
try to stay straight ahead.
Copy that.
03, descent flight level 2.
Okay, now what you can do is shallow the climb, put the nose on the line of 10.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the captain and myself, welcome on board of this Boeing 737 Brussels Airlines with destination Honolulu.
Okay. Something like that. So you can go. That. So we are climbing now. But climb attention.
You have 25 miles, 27 left.
Because then the speed is dropping.
DPH 1015 hectopascal.
And then we have
down to 5000 feet, KH 105, 855.
855, reduce speed now 180 knots.
9 right, descent altitude 6,000 feet, KH 1018.
6000 feet, KH 1082, 45 Bravo.
And when I tell you, we continue to turn to get the localizer and then align ourselves with the runner. But try not to descend anymore, we keep it like that. Keep it down. Not that much. Yeah.
Approaching 2, 5, right.
Speedbird 945, localizer service, descent
Try
right.
to keep it like that for the moment.
Descend out, speedbird 945.